We're back, man. So we're about to be working on a Chevy Blazer. We got to do our rear wheel cylinder on it. It's leaking, so we've got to swap it out real quick. It's gonna be fun because these are actually brake shoes, not brake pads. So it's gonna be fun. But stick around. All right, so what we got, you can see how bad this wheel cylinder has been leaking. I mean, it's all over the ground right here. It's still dripping from right here. So we're gonna try to see if we can slide this off. Oh yeah, it come right off. It's on this side of this. So what we're gonna do is we are going to try to get this out. We're gonna try to do it without taking everything out of here. But we are going to see how that goes. We'll see what happens. So stay tuned. Alright, so what we've done is we have taken and released the spring that went across right there. We took it out. And then we took it out and then we spread these apart, pull apart. So now we're about to start on this right here. So this is the cylinder. It's got two bolts in the back to hold it in. As you can see, one right there. It's going to have one right here. And we got to hook the brake line. And so we're about to get work on that now. And hopefully it don't fight me too much. Alright, so as you can see, we got the new cylinder on. Everything is buttoned up in the back. Got everything tight and everything's good. We got more leaking. So what we're going to do is we're going to put our spring back across here real quick, and we're going to tighten everything back up and get everything together. And then after that, we have to bleed our brakes to get all the air out the system. And then hopefully this is going to fix our issue, and they won't have no more problems. You still see some dripping from the bottom there, but that's pretty normal from the mouth that was coming out. So yeah, that's what we got going on right now. Alright guys, we got everything back together. Now what we're about to do is we're about to bleed the brake. That should be right there, the bleeder screws right there. It should be like a 10 millimeter. And then I'm gonna probably get the customer to help me too, so he can pump the brakes, so we can get it bled. Alright, so we can get this thing knocked out and we're gonna get out of here. Alright guys,